I got the call from Russell about 10 days before the event started. He's like, Devon, what are you doing next week? And I'm like, I don't know. Just nothing, being awesome. He says, well, can you come MC the event for me? I said, brother, I got your back. I would love to.
Ladies and gentlemen,
My name is Devon Brown.
get on your feet
I am blessed enough to be the MC
and welcome to the stage.
of this great funnel hacking live event. You know, we as internet marketers, we say we make our money online, but the reality of the situation is that if you want to succeed, you have to get from behind the computer. You have to go to live events. You have to meet. You have to build relationships, because ultimately that's what this game is about. Look, ladies and gentlemen, if you are out there and you are looking to succeed online and you're looking for a tool that's going to help you succeed and you're looking for a mentor, come to a funnel hacking event. Get engaged and involved in this community of like-minded individuals. It will accelerate your success like nothing else out there.